Using screen protectors like these is literally throwing your money inside the trash can, because they don't do anything to protect your screen. They just break, and all that money gone. This is why we have made our third generation our strongest screen protector and also easiest one to apply, made to protect your screen for years. All you need to do is put your phone inside. Don't worry about dust, alignment, air bubbles, just pull the dust removal tape and that's it. You can then swipe the edges like this. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 10 seconds. Privacy origin protects your privacy from both sides with an upgraded 25°. Hydrophobic, electroplated, oleophobic layering makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant, and most importantly, well, it is made to protect your screen. Well, let's do this.
Oh my God!
It is made to protect your screen, just as I said, literally for years. And if you like it, you get our applicator along with 2 of these screen protectors in the box, so click the yellow kite and purchase it now.